So hi guys, once again, welcome back to LDGaming. So in today's video, we will be unboxing a few items. So these items are part of my upcoming build this coming April or May. Regarding the date, I'm not sure because it really depends on the arrival of the items that we will be unboxing in a few more videos that I will be making. So without further ado, let's jump in.
LDGaming.
So for our first item, I have already unboxed this on the first random mishaps of this in making of this video. So this will be a set of keyboards. Here, as you guys can see, these are 4 keyboards from Logitech. As you guys can see, these are not your gaming keyboards, but these are rather office keyboards because for the build that we will be having, it is a workstation PC, but it is not your ordinary workstation PC. So as you guys can see in this keyboard, it is not your gaming keyboard that you would be normally be using in playing games, but rather it is your workstation or office keyboard. Because why? Because for the build that we will be having, it is not a gaming per se PC, but it is a workstation PC. But it is not your normal workstation PC, which is pretty boring if that's the case. So as you guys can see here, I have here 4 workstation keyboards and mice, because what we will be having is a 4 workstation 1 PC setup. So just like what Linus did in his channel, we will be having somehow a 4 gamers 1 CPU build. So we have 4 of this, 4 of the monitors, 4 of the peripherals, 4 of everything except the PC itself. So let's remove this and move on. So for our next box, it is from Lazada. So as you guys can see, it is a pretty small box, but it is one of the very interesting and most expensive parts of the build. Why? Because this is the GPU that will be powering our setup. So let's open it up. So we have this box, some bubble wrap for my girlfriend, which she very likes. So there you go. So now for the GPU, as you guys can see, it's a GTX 1050 Ti, so it's not that powerful, but it's pretty decent for 1080p gaming and normal office work. And it's not just one. We have 2, 3, and obviously 4. So it's from Palette. It's your normal 1050 Ti, but obviously we will be overclocking the crop ton out of it. Why? Because we need this for rendering and a few more decent workloads such as editing and stuff like normal stuff in the software industry. Should I open the box? Yes, obviously. I almost forgot. So let's open one. So unlike my RTX 2080 here, as you guys can see, this box versus this box. So that's how big the difference is. And obviously the performance. Oh. So as you guys can see, there's a secondary box. And there you go. A very small GPU. As you guys can see, it's pretty decent. It's one of the most compact 1050 Ti's that is currently on the market. It has no power delivery thingos that will be causing a problem. So that's good. So there, your normal 1050 Ti. So now, let's put it back in this bag, electrostatic bag. And set it aside. I'll put this back later on. So for our final box, it is one of the biggest box that I have ever unboxed in my entire life, because it is where we will be housing our home system. Basically, it is the case. So it is no other than, wait for it guys, it is the Cougar Panzer Ultimate Full Tower Gaming Case. This will be the house and the main showcase piece of our PC build. So let's open it up. So here's more bubble wrap from my girlfriend. So here is the case, guys. So as you guys can see, it's very big. So let's get it out of the box. No. So there you go. We will now be so there. Woo. 3, 2, 1. Fail. So there you go, guys. We have some tapes to protect it from rattling and something like breaking and shipping. So basically, there's a tempered glass on the side, so you guys can see, and there are faux carbon fiber edges to protect the case itself. So inside, so you guys can see, it is very big. That it could handle an eATX or extended ATX motherboard. And let's set this aside there. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 PCIe brackets for you to be able to mount up to 4 GPUs. And I got tired of carrying this because it's pretty heavy, and it's pretty well built. As you guys can see, it's aluminum everywhere with hard plastic such as this one, and everything is bolted on using Allen screws. So I'll have more of an in-depth review regarding this case in an upcoming video. So that's it, guys. There are 3 items that we unboxed. One is the keyboard, next are the GPUs, the 4 1050 Ti's, and lastly, the Cougar Panzer Max Ultimate Gaming Case. So if you have suggestions on what to unbox next, feel free to toss it on the comments down below. Please leave it a like, and please subscribe to LDGaming. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Stop. Stop. Stop.